Yoga is for everybody and everybody, and it is not restricted only to your yoga mats. You can also do yoga sitting on a comfortable chair in your house. And that is what we are going to do today. We'll do a sequence of chair yoga which is specially designed for people who are sitting at one place working for too long, for corporates who are sitting in chairs, working from home, and for elderly people who have less mobility. But before we start with the sequence today, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our Shri Shri School of Yoga YouTube channel for more such content.
Let's get ready for the chair yoga. Make sure you're seated on a firm chair, not with a chair with the wheels. Now let's start with the seated Tadasana. Spine erect, breathe in, take both your hands up from the sides, interlock the fingers, exhale, stretch your palms up. Now with every inhalation, lengthen the spine. Let the stretch come from all the way from the lower abdomen. Keep stretching up. And with a smile, exhale, bring your hand down. And let's get ready for the neck rotation. Breathe in, look up. And exhale, bring your chin down. And as you inhale, start rotating your head clockwise direction. Very slow and gentle movements. Let your attention be fully around the neck joint. 3 rounds clockwise, 3 rounds anti-clockwise. Do it along with your breath. Inhale, come up, and exhale, come down. And after you finish 3 rounds, you may slowly relax. Now let's do the shoulder rotation. Fingers on the shoulders. Bring the elbows to the front. Let the elbows touch each other. Inhale, lift your elbows all the way up. Open up your chest. Exhale, bring down your elbows. Continue. Feel your pectoral muscles, your trapezius, your shoulders, everything opening up. After 3 rounds, reverse the direction. Feel the mobility of the shoulder joint and gently relax. Now let's do the Tata bye-bye. Take your hands to the sides, open up the fingers, pull the fingers in towards the ears. Make sure you're holding this position. Now as you breathe in and breathe out, turn your palms all the way to the back from the shoulders. Inhale, come back to the center. And turn your palms all the way to the front. Make sure the fingers are spread open. Don't let them bring closer. Once again, inhale, come back to the center. Exhale, turn your palms all the way to the back. Fingers pulled in. Come back to the center. Exhale, turn your palms all the way to the front. One last time. Turn your palms to the back. And turn your palms to the front. And come back to the center and relax. Now let's do the Dvikonasana. Take your hands behind you, interlock the fingers. Now lengthen the arms away from the body. Inhale, bring the hands up, open up your chest. Exhale, bend forward and move the hands above your head and all the way to the front as much as you can. Stay there, keep breathing. Feel the nice stretch around your shoulder joint and contraction around your upper back. Inhale, slowly come back up, release your hands and let go. And let's do the elbow rotation. Bring the hands up and start rotating your right arm from the elbow first. And join with the left hand. Do it along with your breath. Now reverse the direction. Keep a gentle smile on your face. Now let's do the wrist rotation. Bring the hands to the front. Start rotating your wrist. As the wrist goes up, spread open the fingers, and as it comes back, make a fist again. 5 times inward movements and 5 times outward movements. Reverse the direction. And gently let go. And let's do the seated side bend. Your right hand holding the outsides of the left leg. Breathe in, take your left arm all the way up. Exhale, bend to your right side. Now straighten the arm, left arm, pull it all the way to the sides. Feel the deep stretch in the sides of the body. Keep breathing. Inhale, lift yourself up. Exhale, relax your hand. Now to the other side. Left hand holding the outsides of the right leg. Inhale, lift your right hand up. Exhale, bend to your left side. Now pull the right arm away from the body, giving yourself a deep stretch on the right side of the body. Keep breathing. Deep inhalations and exhalations. And slowly straighten yourself up. Exhale, relax your hand. Now let's do the twist. Your left hand holding the outsides of the right leg once again, and twist all the way to the right side, and you may take support at the back of the chair with your right hand and keep twisting even more. Keep your spine erect. Keep breathing. Feel the deep twist in your lower spine, middle spine and upper spine. And slowly breathe in, come back to the center. Now to the other side. Right hand holding the outsides of the left knee, left hand holding behind the chair, and as you exhale, twist all the way to the left side, looking behind you. Keep breathing, relax in this posture. Any twist in the body gives a nice massage to all the abdominal organs. Inhale, come back to the center. Exhale, relax. Now let's do a seated backward bend. You may come to the front of the chair. Place your palms on the armrest. If you don't have an armrest, it's okay. You can place on your thighs. Now inhale, lift your chest up, open up your chest, look up. And exhale, drop your hand and move your elbows towards each other behind the body. Feel the opening of your chest and contraction of your upper back. Exhale, keep breathing. Inhale, straighten yourself up. Exhale, relax your hands. Now let's do the forward bend. If you wish to, you may come to the edge of the chair. Now stretch your legs forward, knees straight, pull the toes in, breathe in, take both your arms up, and as you exhale, bend forward, reaching towards your toes. If you feel any discomfort, you may bend the knees a little bit. Now gently drop your head down. Let's make an effort to make our spine straight. Now look up a little bit. Push your chest a little open up your chest, make your back straight. Keep breathing. If you feel comfortable, then you may straighten the knees a little bit. Stay there. Keep breathing. With every exhalation, lengthen the spine. Now inhale, slowly come back up. Exhale, you may relax your hands. Now let's do the seated pigeon pose. Now let's come to the edge of the chair for the seated pigeon. Now place the right ankle on the left thigh close to the left knee. Hold the right leg with both the hands. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, bend forward from your hip joint, bringing your chest close to the right leg. Feel a deep stretch on the right outer buttock. Stay here. The more you lengthen the spine, the deeper the stretch is. Inhale, slowly straighten yourself up. Exhale, bring the leg down. Now the other leg. Place the outsides of left foot on the right thigh, close to the right knee. Now place both the hands on the left leg. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, bend forward from your hip joint, bringing your chest close to the thigh. If you wish to, you may gently drop your hand to the floor. Feel a deep stretch on the left outer hip. Keep breathing. And breathe in, slowly come back up. Exhale, relax your leg down. Move to the back of the chair. Now let's do some exercise for the knee. Now straighten the right knee and bend it. Right knee, straighten, bend, straighten, bend, straighten, bend. Now the left leg. Straighten the left leg, bend, straighten, bend, straighten, bend. One last time, straighten and bend. That's it. Now come to the back of the chair, get up, stand close to the chair, hold the back of the chair and gently start walking your feet back. And as you walk back, push your chest down, and when you feel the heel is right under your hip, stay there. And gently push your chest down, elbows straight, open the shoulders. Feel a deep stretch in your lower back, your hamstrings, your shoulders. If you wish to, you may bend your knees a little bit and push your chest even more down. Keep breathing and slowly walk your feet forward. Straighten yourself up and come back to the chair. Now let's do the ankle rotation. Bring the right leg forward, rotate the ankle clockwise direction. Change, reverse. The other leg. 5 times clockwise and 5 times anti-clockwise. Now let's get ready for the Bhramari pranayam. Relax the leg. Index finger on the ear cartilage, elbows in line with the shoulders. As we exhale, we'll make the sound. Take a deep breath in, eyes closed. Gently push open the cartilage, in out, in out, in out. One more deep breath in. One last time, inhale. And slowly may relax your hands. You may sit and continue meditating for a few minutes. Link for meditation with Gurudev Shri Ravi Shankar is given in the link below.